Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about how to cancel your mdhair subscription. So if you have taken any treatment and if you have selected any subscription or membership option, so how you can cancel it. So basically you can cancel your subscription without any problem, but generally you will not get any refunds, and you need to provide at least 5 days notice period before your next blink date. Okay, so this is the thing. First of all, you need to type on any browser like how to cancel my mdhair subscription. Then it will show you this kind of links like intercom cancellation mdhair help center. You need to click on this link. Once you are on this page, this kind of page it will open, and on this page there are so many information is available. You can read their information, and you can read their policy, what's the return and refund policy. Once you read each and everything, then there is a button you can cancel your subscription. Here you can select this option, and once you select this option, the here button, and it will pop up a new window. On the new window you need to enter your email ID, your password, and you need to log in into your subscription page, and you can manage your subscription. You can cancel or you can pause your subscription very easily. If you are facing any issue, you can visit on their official website mdhair.co. there is a phone number also mentioned, and you can call their customer support. You can ask for cancellation, but don't forget to don't forget to ask proof of cancellation also. Okay, so bye bye, take care.